Hey, hello friends, welcome to Romy's Art and Craft. Today we're gonna do something dry artwork. As we know that Christmas is knocking around the corner, so we are going to make some crafty thing, and that is coffee mug, which themed based on Christmas. Here is a very little and cute friend with me, and she will make this coffee mug, Christmas coffee mug. That's why she has brought some molded clay and bottle of raisin. See this. Now she is again trying to get something. Oh my goodness! In this bag. From that she has taken out some reused coffee mug or cup. Oh, its handle is totally broken. You can see. She will go to fix it. Okay, so let's see what she is going to do. With the fevicol and molded clay, she is going to fix the handle, and then she will fully coat this cup with the molded clay. That's quite nice. She is putting water and also the fevicol. She will put the fevicol also at the full body of this cup, and then she will just coat around this cup with the molded clay. Very nice. Friends, let me introduce this little friend. She is just 7 years old, very little and sweet girl. She basically loves art and craft. She has done many small model of clay, and she will going to show all of those in another video. I will also show you. Very hardworking girl, and she loves to make DIY things in this age. You can see with the fevicol, we are going to stick those molded clay so that it will not come out in future, and fix at the body of the cup. Totally it will cover the cup. Okay, let's see what she will do. Now she will make some small, very small models of cakes, small candies, and stick all of them at the body of this cup, and she will decorate the cup this way. You can see the final look where we have used this clay. Now we will put color, mainly white primer on this uh, cup, and then we'll color over here, make colorful this cup. Let's see. She is doing putting the primer all over the cup, and then she will apply main color, that will be red, yellow, and whatever she likes she will put color.